Hello, Puerto, Princesa, Palawan. Jenny the Sunshine Girl here from Majo Imbiss to announce that it is Tequila Tuesday, and tonight's special drink and meal deal is shots of tequila for 69 pesos, and our giant New Yorker hotdog is 69 pesos. Now that is a great deal. Also, happy National Happy Hour Day. Hey Palawan, Susie here at Majo Imbiss to announce that it is Happy National Happy Hour Day. We are celebrating it by offering all our weekly cocktail specials available today from our margaritas, tequila shots, whiskey and coke, Ginfusion, Vodka Splash, and Spicy Jab cocktail and cocktail towers.
In the heart of Puerto, Princesa, the sun sets low. Majo Imbiss calling, it's the place to go. Raise your glass high, let the night ignite. Tequila shots flowing, we'll party till the light. Spicy cocktails rising, feel the heat explode. Billiard balls cracking down that winding road. With vagabond wine, you'll win the guide to the gang from Palawan. Profession is here for you. Cheers to the night, National Happy Hour Day. Whiskey and coke, let the worries fade away. Buy one, take one, Margaritas also sweet. Cocktail towers rising, feel the bass in your beat. Ginfusion magic, vodka splash on deck. Majo Imbiss rockin', this ain't no train wreck. Under the stars with free Wi-Fi high. Rock and roll music, let our spirits fly. Back at Palawan, they're the ones to call. And the night gets wild and we're having a ball. With every clink of glasses we toast to the sky. In this garden paradise we're never saying goodbye. Cheers to the night, National Happy Hour Day. Whiskey and coke, let the worries fade away. Buy one, take one, margaritas, oh so sweet. Cocktail towers rising, feel the bass in your beat. Gems to the night, check vodka splash on deck. Majo Imbiss rockin', this ain't no train wreck. I want take one, margaritas oh so sweet. Cocktail towers rising,